Hello friends, welcome to my channel SZ Education Tutorial. In this video, I have written 5th standard chapter number 23 English. Write your own poem. First activities है poem 1. Write a set of rhyming words. Make sentence of meaningful phrases in which the remaining words appear at the end. Arrange the sentence or phrase in the form of a poem. उसके rhyming words है should, good, bountiful, wonderful. पोएम है वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड यू एंड मी शुड सी व्हाट गॉड वांट अस टू बी गुड काइंड एंड बॉन्टीफुल मेकिंग द वर्ल्ड सो वंडरफुल. Poem 2. Think of something that you like very much. Describe it in as much detail as you can, stressing the part you like best. Make use of suitable adjective, adverb or comprehension. Arrange the line one below the other in the form of a poem. Describe word है play day, ball all. Poem. Johnny John went out to play. It was a lovely summer day. She saw some boys play bat and ball. Oh, can I come and join you all? आप लोग को मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट्स बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. बाय.